Hello and welcome back to Drone Man Wales. Today we're soaring above Banwen, a community with a deep industrial past that's now at the centre of one of the most ambitious projects in modern rail history. This is the site of the Global Centre of Rail Excellence, or GCRE, a £400 million transformation that's turning the old Onsloyn coal washery into a world-class rail testing hub. In this video we'll take you through the story of Banwen's coal and steel heritage, explore the progress on the ground as of September 2025, and look ahead to the exciting future of rail innovation right here in South Wales. To understand the scale of change here, we need to look back. Banwen sits on the northern edge of Neath and Port Talbot, and for centuries this landscape was shaped by coal. The coalfields of South Wales powered an empire. And by the mid-19th century, this region was producing millions of tonnes every year, feeding the furnaces of industry and fueling the growth of towns and cities. The Onsloyn coal washery right here in Banwen was a key part of that system. Raw coal from surrounding collieries was hauled in, cleaned and prepared before being sent out by rail to steelworks, power stations and ports. For generations, entire communities lived by the rhythm of coal production. Railways were at the heart of it all. The old Neath and Brecon Railway and later sidings connected to the Dulwich Valley carried coal trucks in and out of the washery. And on the very same land, railways are once again taking centre stage, but in a completely new way. The mines closed in the late 20th century, Banwen was left with derelict industrial land. The washery shut down, the sidings were pulled up, and jobs vanished, almost overnight. And for years this area stood as a reminder of what once was, but it also presented an opportunity, a vast brownfield site already linked to the national rail network, waiting for a new purpose. That new purpose is the Global Centre of Rail Excellence. Announced in the late 2010s, the vision was bold: to create a dedicated rail testing facility, unlike anything the UK has ever had. Rail companies have long relied on test tracks abroad, sending new trains to Germany or the Czech Republic to trial them at speed. But with the GCRE, Britain gains a homegrown alternative. The project is funded by both the Welsh and UK governments, along with backing from Transport for Wales and private partners. Together, they're investing around 400 million to turn Banwen into the rail equivalent of an F1 test circuit. The first phase of construction, which aimed for completion in mid-2025, focused on the core infrastructure. Access roads have been built, drainage and earthworks are complete. The old industrial ground has been cleared, levelled and stabilised. And now the first stretches of test track are firmly in place. Looking down from above, you can trace the outline of two enormous loops. One destined to become the high-speed circuit, and the other designed for heavy haul testing. The scale is immense. These aren't just sidings or short spurs. They're tracks built for endurance, speed and rigorous trials. Alongside the tracks, new service buildings are rising. Workshops, offices and control rooms will support everything from train testing to digital signalling experiments. What once was coal dust and machinery is now the foundation of a high-tech future. When complete, the GCRE will be unique. Two main circuits will dominate the site. A high-speed oval allowing passenger trains to be tested up to 180 kilometers per hour, over and over again, without interfering with public services. And a heavy haul loop designed to replicate the punishing demands of freight traffic, where wagons can be tested across thousands of kilometers in condensed time. But GCRE is more than just tracks. A research campus will welcome engineers and innovators from around the world. Hydrogen-powered trains, battery electric units, digital signalling, and next-generation control systems will all be trialled here. For the workforce, it's also a training ground. Apprentices and students will have the chance to work on real-world rail technology, helping Wales grow the skilled engineers of tomorrow. The importance of this project cannot be understated. Until now, the UK has had no dedicated facility of this scale. Every new train had to compete for track time on busy passenger lines or be sent abroad. With Banwen, that changes. The GCRE will save money, attract global investment and put Wales firmly on the map as a leader in rail innovation. And for the local communities, the benefits are just as important. Hundreds of jobs during construction, dozens of permanent roles once operational, and a chance to regenerate land that once stood as a symbol of industrial decline. So what happens next? Over the coming year, more track will be laid, signalling systems installed, and the research hub completed by 2026. The Global Centre of Rail Excellence is expected to be fully operational. Imagine the site alive with the hum of engines, hydrogen prototypes on trial, long freight trains pounding the heavy loop, passenger units racing around the high-speed circuit, engineers monitoring every vibration, every signal, every watt of energy. From coal dust to cutting-edge technology, Banwen is reinventing itself, and its story is only just beginning. We'll be back here in the months ahead to capture the progress from the skies and hopefully to witness the first trains racing around these brand new tracks. And if you've enjoyed this journey through Banwen's past, present and future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Drone Man Wales and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for flying with me today, and I'll see you all on the next flight.